and I think that all students now, all students today, very active than other session. Okay, thanks for your join to us, and I think that we will enjoy with the chemistry session, inshallah. Okay, this is the third lesson. Okay, third lesson. That's called reaction in aqueous solution. Reaction in aqueous solution. Okay. After that, double double replacement double replacement reaction occur when substance in aqueous solution and produce precipitate, water or gases. Okay, so double replacement reaction occur between substance in aqueous solution and produce precipitates, water or gases. As we studied at the previous session, okay, types of chemical reaction. Who can answer me? What are the types of chemical reaction? Who can remember me? What are the types of chemical reaction that we studied at the previous session? Abdullah
You mean,
Shafi?
Mr.
Yeah, Abdullah.
You mean the chemical bond and the chemical?
Not chemical bond. I mean
Mr.
the types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction.
Combination reaction.
What is meant by combination reaction? Not Amir.
What?
What's meant by combination reaction? No. It's called
decomposition.
Yeah. Decomposition reaction. Okay.
Decomposition.
Yeah.
أنا يساعد اللي قلته مازن.
Okay, Mazen. Decomposition reaction and what?
Replacement reaction.
Good. Replacement simple. Replacement
Do
reaction.
replacement reaction. Do
Yes.
replacement reaction.
Replacement reaction. Synthesis reaction. Okay. And simple replacement and double replacement. Okay,
Yes.
thanks, guys. There is the types of chemical reactions that we studied at the previous session. Okay, now inshallah, we are going to complete this third lesson. This is called double replacement reaction occurred between substance in aqueous solution and produce precipitates, water or gas. Okay, after that, the essential question that we are going to study. Number one, what are aqueous solution? What's meant by aqueous solution? Number two, how are complete ionic and net ionic equation written for chemical reaction in aqueous solution? How are complete ionic and net ionic equation written for chemical reaction in aqueous solution? Okay. Question number three, how can you predict whether reaction in aqueous solution will produce a precipitate, water or gas? How can you predict whether reaction in aqueous solution will produce a precipitate, water or gas? Okay, so who can repeat this question? Who can repeat this question? Okay. Hamoud, can you read please, Hamoud? I need Hamoud to read. I need Hamoud to read. Where is Hamoud? Okay, Hamoud left. It's okay. Ibrahim, can you read, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, read please.
What are aqueous solution? How are complete ionic and net ionic equation written for chemical reaction in aqueous solution?
Yes.
How can predict whether reaction in aqueous solution will produce a precipitate, water or
precipitate. Okay.
Water.
Thanks, Ibrahim. Shari, can you read, Mshari? Welcome, Ibrahim.
Yes.
Yes, Mshari, read please.
Number two.
Okay, no, all question that you are going to explain.
What are solution?
Aqueous solution.
Aqueous solution.
Yes.
How are completed ionic and not ionic equation written for chemical reaction in aqueous solution.
In aqueous solution.
Aqueous,
Yes, called aqueous, not
Aqueous
aqueous. Aqueous solution. Okay.
how can you protect whether reaction in aqueous solution will produce participate water or a gas?
It's okay. It's okay. Thanks. Thanks for your participation, Michelle. After that, the vocab that we studied before, okay, it's called solution. Who can answer me what's meant by solution? Who can answer me? Naif, can you answer me what's meant by solution? Naif?
What?
What about solution?
Okay, 1 minute, Mr. Ryan. Let me think.
Sir,
Yes. Okay, Tamim. What about solution?
Can I answer?
Okay, Naif, answer please.
Yes, it is a liquid mixture.
Yes, good. It's a liquid mixture. Okay, thanks, Naif. Who can answer me? What are the components of solution? As we said before, solution consists of what and what? Tamim, can you read? Can you answer me, please, Tamim?
I think, I'm not sure, but I think it's dealing with the difficult situation.
Okay, try to listen after that. Mazen, okay, Mazen?
It's I don't know it's correct or not, but solution is the result that happens when two elements combine with each other.
It's okay, but what are the what about the component of solution? When solution consists of what and what? Solution consists of two main substances, which are called solvent and solute. Solvent and solute. So any substance, okay, any substance consists, or any solution consists of two, which are solvent and solute. Solvent and what? And solute. It's okay. So Sulaiman, can answer me? We said solution consists of what and what?
What?
Solution consists of what and what?
Mister, I can't see the board.
These statements, the definition of solution, we studied it before, and I said it now. I said it now. I discussed with Tamim, okay, with Tamim and Mazen to answer solution.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Who is?
سعود الحربي.
سعود الحربي. Okay, hello Saud.
هلا.
Okay, so we said that it consists of what and what?
Mister, I need help.
Need help?
Yeah.
What is the help? What is the help? What is the help?
From anybody.
Anybody? Solution consists of what and what? Zayed, can you answer me? Ziad.
Yes, mister.
We said that solution consists of what and what?
The solution consists.
I said it now. I said now. If you join,
yes,
if you joined with us, okay, and listen to me, you will answer it. I said it now.
Mr.
Yes, mister, but I go from my phone for that.
Yeah.
Solution.
عارف. Okay, عارف. Okay, عارف.
Solvent and solvent. Like this.
Solvent.
Solvent and solid.
Good. Thanks, Arif. It's called solvent and solute. Solvent and solute. But the vocab that you are going to study now, number 1, aqueous solution. Number 2, solute. Number 3, solvent. Number 4, complete ionic equation. Number 5, C, spectator ion, net ionic equation. Okay, who can read first 3?
Yes, I can.
Salman, can you first Can you read the first three, Salman?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Salman.
Aquous solution,
Yes.
solid, solvent.
Solvent. Okay, thanks, Salman. Can you complete, Abdullah Shafi?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
What can I read? The new vocabs or the new vocab?
The third new vocab.
Okay, solvent. Complete ionic equation.
Solvent.
Yes, solvent.
Yes.
Complete ionic equation. Spectator ion. Net ionic equation.
It's okay. Thanks, Abdullah.
Thank you very much.
After that, okay, aqueous solution. What's meant by aqueous solution? Aqueous solution contains one or more dissolved substance. One or more dissolved substance called solute in water. Okay, so it's the meaning of aqueous solution. Aqueous solution contains one or more dissolved substance. One or more dissolved what? One or more dissolved substance called solute in water. It's the meaning of aqueous solution. Who can answer me what's meant by aqueous solution? Abdullah Hadith?
Yes.
Abdullah Hadith? Abdullah Hadith? If you join with us in naming what's meant by solution, so I will record you as you participate with me. But if you didn't answer me what's meant by solution now, okay, so you didn't participate with me. Abdullah Hadith.
مين مستر بجاوب انا.
It's okay. So Abdullah Hadith.
استاذ انا شاركت صح. استاذ انا شاركت معك.
Abdullah Hadith didn't share with me. It's okay.
انا شاركت صح.
Abdullah Bray.
Yes.
Yes, Abdullah, can you read, please?
Aqueous solution. An aqueous solution contains one or more dissolved substances called solutes.
Solute. Yes.
In water.
It's okay. Thanks, Abdullah. After that, solvent is the most plentiful substance in solution. That's meaning that solvent with large amount than solute. As example, if we have a solution of sodium chloride, table salt solution, or sodium chloride, okay? If you get a beaker and put amount of water in it, so you add amount of sodium chloride or table salt, then you can make stirring, okay? Stir sodium chloride in water, okay? So it's called solution. It's called solution, okay? What about the component of this solution? It consists of two main substances, which are called, number one, solvent, which is water. Number one, solvent, which is water. Okay, Mazen, what do you need, Mazen?
No, I want to read after you finish.
Okay, after finishing. So, solution consists of two main substances. First one is called solvent, which has large amount as water. But another substance called solute. Solute means what? Solute, it's the smallest ratio as table salt. So, solution consists of two substances, which are called solvent and solute. Solvent is the most plentiful substance in solution. Water is always the solvent in aqueous solution, because when you make stirring of any solid substance to make a solution, you must add water to it. It's okay? You must add water to it, then mix stirring. So water is always the solvent in an aqueous solution. It's okay? There are many possible solutes. Sugar and alcohol are molecular compounds that exist as molecules in aqueous solution. Sugar and alcohol. Okay? So, compound that produce hydrogen ion in aqueous solution are acids. So, there is difference between acids and another substance called alkali. Acids and alkali. What are the differences between them? Acids, compound that produce hydrogen ion in aqueous solution. So acids determined, and they have specific hydrogen ions. When any acid dissolve in water, it will produce hydrogen ions. So it will be acid as HCl, as H2SO4, as HNO3. Okay, but ionic compound can also be solute. Ionic compound can also be solute in aqueous solution. Because what? Because by adding ionic compound to water, then make dissolving or stirring, the ionic compound will separate into positive ion and negative ions. So it make a solution. It's ionic compound. Okay, but when ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate, as I said, their ions separate in a process called dissociation. Called what? Dissociation. Okay, called dissociation. Okay, who can read the first three? First three, Mazen, please read first three.
Yes. An aqueous solution contains one or more dissolved substances called solutes in water.
Yes.
The solvent is the most plentiful substance in a solution. Water is always the solvent in an aqueous solution.
Okay, thanks, Mazen, for your participation. Ahmed Faiz, can you complete the other third? Ahmed Faiz.
Yes, Mr.
Complete, Ahmed, please. From there are many possible solutes.
There are many possible salts, sugar and
Alcohol.
what's this?
Are molecular compound.
That exits as molecule in what is Mr.
Molecules exist as molecules in aqueous solution. Molecules at aqueous solution. Okay, complete.
Compounds the compound
who is joined to us?
Hydrogen ions.
رياض
Who?
رياض
Who?
رياض
Riyadh. Okay, Riyadh, but we joined to us at what o'clock? At 12. And the session begins with 11:30, Riyadh.
sorry
Okay, complete, Ahmed.
Compounds that produce hydrogen ions in
aqueous solution.
Aqueous solution are acids.
It's okay.
Ionic compounds can also be solutes in aqueous solution. When ionic compounds dissolve in water, their ions separate and produce called
dissociation. Called dissociation. Dissociation. Okay, understand till now? So an aqueous solution contains one or more dissolved substance called solute in water. The solvent is the most plentiful substance in a solution with a large amount. Water is always the solvent in an aqueous solution. As we make a solution, okay, so we must add water to any solid substance to be dissolved in it. Okay. There are many possible solutes Sugar and alcohol are molecular compounds that exist as molecules in aqueous solution. Compounds that produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solution are acids. Ionic compound can also be solute in aqueous solution. When ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called dissociation. So what's meant by dissociation? It's a process in which ionic compound dissolve in water producing ions. Okay, so who can answer me? What's meant by dissociation? Riyadh? Riyadh?
Hello, Mr.
Can you tell me what's meant by dissociation process that I said before?
What?
Dissociation process that I said before. What's meant by dissociation process? At last paragraph. At last paragraph.
Last paragraph.
Yes.
When ionic compound
Yes.
dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called discussion.
Dissociation.
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 Okay, Salami, can you read what's meant by dissociation process? What is Salami? Ahmed Salami.
هنا موجود يا أستاذ.
Okay, can you read please what's meant by dissociation?
There are many possible solutes, sugar and
Salami. I said what's meant by dissociation. Dissociation, Salami, it means that it's the last paragraph. This is called dissociation process. This is called dissociation process.
أقرأ.
Yes, please.
When ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called dissociation.
Dissociation. Okay, thanks. Abdullah Al-Girni, can you read please what's meant by acids? Girni?
وين مستر؟
Acids. What's meant by acids?
وينها طيب؟
وينها طيب؟ Acids. What's meant by acids? Okay, Abdullah, read Abdullah and try to find what's meant by acids in this slide.
لا عرفتها سر. A substance with particular chemical properties.
No. No. It's acids. Compound is the meaning of acids. Compound that produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solution are acids. Read it again, please, Abdullah.
Compounds that produce hydrogen ions in aqueous solution are acids.
Okay, and take care in the second time, Abdullah. Okay. So it means but acids. After that, aqueous solution. Ionic compound can also be solute in aqueous solution. Ionic compound can also be solute in aqueous solution. As what? As the examples that we said before, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means what? Sodium chloride in water. Sodium chloride in water. So sodium chloride, it's an ionic compound. If you put sodium chloride in water, then mix stirring, so sodium chloride will separate into sodium ions and chlorine ions. So it will be solute. It will be solute in aqueous solution. Okay, what is the solvent here? Solvent will be water. Solvent will be what? Will be water. And solute will be ionic compound. which is table salt, sodium chloride. After that, when ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called dissociation, as we said before. When ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called dissociation. So it's the meaning of dissociation process. What's meant by dissociation process again? It's a process in which ionic compound dissolve in water, forming ions. Forming what? Forming ions. Who can answer me? What's meant by dissociation process?
Can I answer?
Dissociation process. No, I need Ziad. Ziad.
Yes, mister.
What's meant by dissociation process?
It's when ionic compound dissolve in water, their ions separate in process called dissociation.
Dissociation, okay, Ziad.
Dissociation.
Okay, thanks, Ziad. Okay, can you read it again, Abdullah? سعود الحربي. سعود الحربي.
Yes,
أستاذ
mister.
أنا ما قرأت ولا شيء.
Who is me? Who?
وش ذا بعد؟
Who was talking? Okay, سعود.
يا أستاذ
Yes, Abdullah.
ترى اللي مكتوب اسمه عبد الله حديدي هذا بنت مو ولد عشان أقول لك يا أستاذ. أمزح معانا وصوتي صوت بنت.
ايش دراك انه بنت؟
أنا لا أقبل البنات كل ما هذا.
Okay, شباب.
زبدة يا عيال.
شباب, get
يمكن
silence.
واحد نايم.
Get silence, please. Get silence, please. Okay, get silence.
لو إن عبد الله حديدي خليه يتكلم.
ايوه عبد الله حديدي.
شباب, listen please. سعود الحربي.
Yes,
Can you
mister.
read
Yes,
what's
mister.
meant by dissociation?
أي واحدة الأولى ولا الثانية؟
ثانية, dissociation.
Okay. When ionic compounds dissolve in water, their ions separate in a process called
Dissociation. Called what? Called dissociation. Called what?
dissociation.
Dissociation, okay? Okay, thanks.
الحين السؤال بالله أنتوا إيش دخلكم إذا أنا بنت ولا ولد؟ أنا هنا عشان أبغى أستفيد.
أقول
Okay.
يا ربي.
Listen, guys, listen.
ترى والد
Okay. Who is? Okay, who is? You are a sister of Abdullah Hadis? I made a mute for all students. It's okay. If any students has a discussion or has a question, can raise his hand only. It's okay. It's okay, Naif. Easy. Are you a sister? Are you a sister of Abdullah Hadis? Try to answer me, yes or not. If you didn't answer me, I will remove you from our session. Okay. So we are going to finish our session now. Okay, enjoy my dear students. Okay, and I think that all the students react with other chemistry session. Okay, thanks